Everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can cancel a pending transaction on Trust Wallet. In order to cancel a pending transaction on Trust Wallet, you just have to simply follow these steps. First of all, you have to go to the transaction section or the transfer button, and right on this page, you need to go ahead and locate the specific transaction that is pending. Go ahead and press that and you'll be directed to this field. Now right on this page, you can see right in between there's a nonce number or a nonce option right over here. You can see this number is very important. When you've actually read all of these information, click on the more detailed button. When you actually do that, next thing you'll be able to see cancel option underneath. Go ahead and press that and you'll be taken to this field. Now you need to go ahead and enter the wallet address and to what wallet address you want to cancel. So enter the same amount in all of these and click on confirm. When you actually do that, you'll be able to see that the transaction has been cancelled by stating cancel right on the status page. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.